My name is 𝗚𝗲𝘀𝗁𝗃, and right now we are sitting in the 2024 BMW iX M60. And one thing we're going to go ahead and demonstrate is a couple of the features. One of my favorite features on the iXs, or any BMW that has this BMW's latest system, which is iDrive 8.0, are the voice commands. Most people don't really realize how easy it is to use the voice commands on a BMW. And what makes BMW different is you don't have to press a button to activate it. You can just talk to it. For example, hey, can you roll down my window?
Okay, I will open the front passenger window.
As you can see, it rolls down the window. When it comes to navigation, I can say the navigation, any address as easy as I am talking to a person without so many prompts. So I could say this. Hey BMW, can you take me to 4795 Riverside Drive, Macon, Georgia?
Just a moment, I am compiling the results for you. I've started vitals.
So that's the address right next door to us. Okay. Right now the temperature, if you look on the dash, is 64 degrees on my side. Well, I can tell the car this. Hey BMW, I'm cold.
Okay, I'm raising the temperature, so it will be more comfortable right away. Let me know if it gets too warm for you.
As you see, it changed it by 4 degrees. Or if you have a more specific temperature, you would say, hey BMW, can you change my temperature to 72 degrees?
I'm setting your temperature to 72 degrees Fahrenheit.
So anything that you're mainly going to go ahead and use on a BMW iX M60 or any BMW that has iDrive 8.0 or even iDrive 7.0, the voice commands are stellar. The car knows the difference between both driver and passenger. So if I wanted to roll down the driver's side window halfway, I could tell the car which window it would do. For example, if we look over on that window, I'm going to say, hey BMW, can you roll down the driver's side window halfway?
All right, I will open the driver's window halfway.
So that's half. So if I was on the driver's side, I could initiate any one of those commands specifically for myself, and it would know the difference. So that's one thing that I appreciate about the BMW iX. You know, it allows you to focus on the road without you having to take your eyes off the road and play inside any of these systems right here. The vehicle is also equipped with gesture control, which BMW's had for the last several years. So if you want to turn up the volume, you could gesture by pointing and then it's doing your finger in a slower rotation. So those are some of the gesture controls that BMW actually has inside here. But I go back to it again. Most of the things that the usability on a BMW is very and much easier compared to a lot of our competitors. So that's one thing that I like about the BMWs is it doesn't have to be so difficult. You can voice out all the basic things while driving. Right down to even setting navigation addresses, and you have even other cooler features such as wireless Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay. They come standard on every BMW. So those are some of the cooler features on BMW. My name is 𝗚𝗲𝘀𝗁𝗃. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. Bye-bye.